Let's get painting, guys.
How's it going, everyone? I'm back with another spray painting video, and today I am making another fisherman spray painting with big epic waterfalls. If this painting ends up being a painting you like, consider to subscribe to my channel. So, as you all know, I've actually made a fisherman spray painting before, but I'm making another one because I was trying to make one with more than one waterfall, and the last one I made only had one short one. This painting was kind of basic, but I think it's still stunning. Once again, if you like this painting and you want to help support my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also, share this video with your friends and family, and click that notification bell to get notified for upcoming videos that I'll be making. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, one more thing, for those of you who don't know, I just published my website. If you're interested in purchasing some of my art, go to my website. I'll leave a link in the description below. Enjoy the video. Alright, that about does it for this video. If you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you want me to make something for you, make sure you leave down in the comments below what you want me to make, and I'll be sure to put your request in the request form. Give this video a share with your friends and family. If you guys want to get notified for all the videos that I'll be uploading in the future, make sure you click that notification bell. And also, if you like this content and you want more of it, consider unsubscribing to my channel. And one more thing, if you guys are unaware, I just recently published my website, so if you guys are interested in purchasing some of my art, go check that out. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next spray painting video.